So my name is Nicholas Luna. I'm a son of Mexican immigrants. I'm a health insurance broker. Some of my hobbies are working out, playing a lot of sports. It's funny, like, you probably wouldn't think that based off of my history, because as a kid, I broke a lot of bones. But in my senior year in high school, I had my most major injury. That was, I don't want to say life-changing, but it was a very traumatic, injury. It took me out of being physically active for a year. What set the tone for me in me being very compassionate and being wanting to help people is that throughout my injuries when I was a kid, a lot of the doctors didn't charge my parents for a lot of the services. So all that they've done for me, that's what's led me to want to give back to people. I ended up working for Anthem Blue Cross, which is the biggest health insurance company in the United States, and I worked there for 8 years. And so I had to learn and be educated about insurance, because I had to teach people who had no idea how health insurance worked. I'm an insurance rock star, and I speak Spanish. If there's one thing that I learned from working for the biggest health insurance company, is that people don't understand their health insurance. It is super confusing, and I honestly think it's by design. Throughout my life, people have helped me to move forward in life. They helped me when I was down, and this is my way of kind of giving back, to my community, is educating them to make sure that they're gonna get the proper services and pay what they're supposed to pay and not pay a dime more. So my passion is to help you, the consumer. What's yours?